and welcome to the Plus Bounce. I'm the Bounce Girl and carrying on with the summer theme. Last video we tackled the booty and this week we're going to tackle sleeves, or rather no sleeves. Well, yes, everyone tells us that we have arm fat and we shouldn't embarrass ourselves or embarrass others who look at us, but screw it. It's summer, it's too hot. No sleeves is the best option, and yes, it does make you look like a pretty young thing. But then again, there is no reason to look crappy in no sleeves. Well, today's video is the ultimate guide to choosing no sleeves. Indian wear is not included. We'll tackle that in another video. So let's get on with it. First, I'm going to tell you what not to pick up, the absolute no's. Well, at least try not to pick them up. Here it goes. First, no full length tops. And by full length, I don't mean full sleeves. The space between your neck and the shoulder. Well, full length tops are actually not a bad idea if they cover this much, but the neckline has to be right. Otherwise, they make you look very stocky and bulky and make you look fatter than you actually are. It makes your arms look fatter than they actually are. So try to get a neckline that is not so higher up. Try to get a little deeper plunging neckline. And also they have to be form-fitting. Like this yellow top is a complete no-no because of the fall. It makes you loose, doesn't give you any shape, and makes you look fatter than you actually are. So the first no-no is tops which have this length and loose form feel. Second no-no is freaking mega sleeves. I don't have a top to show you right now, but I am going to show you a picture. It's right there. Whoever thought frills are flattering clearly did not see arms like us. Make up your mind. Either go the whole hog or wear no sleeves or wear full sleeves. Just don't go in the middle. There is no middle ground at all. I have nothing to say about mega sleeves other than the fact that just don't buy them. Now let's get to the yeses, the stuff that you should try, you should buy and keep in your closet. First, seriously consider an investment in a halter top like this. This sort of A-line that you see here beautifully accentuates your shoulders, your long neck, and you don't have to worry about your arms fitting in at all. It all fits and you have no issues at all. This has to be one of your essentials in the closets. This goes with everything. You can buy halter neck dresses, you can buy halter neck tops and wear them over jeans. It's perfect for the summer and makes you look really, really pretty too. A plain old school spaghetti. Yes, you might think the strap is too tight and you see this bulk of fat coming out right here, but they can be worn just like it is in long maxi dresses or nice flowy tops with a nice neck, or just simple ones like these with a nice scarf around. They're just simple and nice and no nonsense. This should be an essential in the summer because come on, you don't have to feel anything, all the air just flows in. And if you're still afraid of the spaghetti monster, consider layering as a trick. Wear a spaghetti inside, wear a nice waistcoat like this on top, or even a scarf, but the rule still shows no sleeves must be seen at all. Hey, looks trendy, don't you think? Option number 3, cap sleeves. Well, these are sleeves that come just below your shoulder, but they don't look as crappy as the mega sleeves. Mega sleeves sometimes come all the way here and are large, frilly things like that. The cap sleeves just determine your shoulder a little bit just below that. These, I cannot stress enough, please get them in like an experimental neckline, just like this one. You sometimes get with these straps right in the front. These are good for your experimental clothing, and please do not get them in a flowy material. Get them nice and form-fitting so that they enhance your upper body. Finally, tube tops, just bear it all. Now the picture that you're seeing is traditional tube top with no spaghetti straps or anything supporting it. It's just the bare minimum tube, but I suggest you go with another option with a top like this. Well, disregard the straps. This is just to show the shape. Take the shape which contours your bra shape. It looks much better, much classy, and can give you a day or a night look. I prefer this much over the traditional tube look. So there's my guide for choosing sleeveless wear for the summer. Couple of things to remember. Don't buy tops which are bulky and make you look stocky and have that line which comes from here all the way to the shoulder unless they are form-fitting, you know, the gunji material with nice funky prints. Don't buy them in loose flavor at all, and try to wear a strapless bra inside everything. It just gives you a much better shape. And don't let no one tell you that you don't look good in it, don't have the confidence to carry it. Just go for it and be free. And while you're at it, don't be afraid to dress the back. The next video is dedicated to all sorts of sleeves, from the full length ones coming up all the way here to even here. So stay tuned for that one. I'll see you next time. But till then, always remember, lipstick is God, and always be stylish. If you like what you see, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out the other videos. There's a summer series that's going on. And if you'd like to give me feedback, comment, or just suggestions, or just want to have a chat generally, email me on thebossgirl@gmail.com.